How can the sense of smell be related to how we manage our stress? Here's an interesting fact. Our sense of smell, how we smell, is perceived by a nerve called the olfactory nerve. Now, the olfactory nerve connects to the brain to a center called the temporal lobe, specifically to a tiny almond-shaped organ called the amygdala. Now, here's where it gets really, really interesting. The amygdala is like the emotional headquarters of the brain. Okay. Now, this is where your emotions related to the past, your worries related to the future, all that is in the amygdala. And your amygdala is also responsible for the quality of how you manage your stress. So there is a direct link between your sense of smell and stress management. In the plant kingdom, there are certain plants that from which oils are extracted, and when these oils are inhaled, they have an immediate effect on our stress levels, our anxiety levels, and our relaxation levels. These highly concentrated oils are called essential oils, and the method of treating conditions using these essential oils is called aromatherapy. In this video, I'm going to show you different ways to use essential oils to reduce stress and anxiety, increase sleep and relaxation. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I've been using essential oils for over 6 to 7 years for almost all my products that I create for the company that I own, which is called Sacred Roots. Here are a list of my favorite essential oils for relaxation and anxiety management. They are lavender, neroli, rose, chamomile, ylang, clary sage, bergamot. Now, in general, for personal use, individual customer use, such bottles are available. These are about 20 ml bottles. Okay, this is a Ylang essential oil. This one is a rosemary essential oil. These are available in 10 ml bottles. High quality, really good. In the description box, I'm going to give you links to Amazon shopping links where you can buy your own essential oils. These are my favorites, really high quality ones. Now, how do we use these essential oils? One of the first ways is to use a diffuser. There are 2 to 3 types of diffusers available. There are like electric ones and there are some basic ones where you put a candle below. All you need to do is pick up your essential oil, add a few drops, mix it with the same amount of water, and the diffuser basically makes these essential oils into fumes and they fill up your room. This is best for your bedroom, for your living room, for your meditation space, even your workspace. It gives you a good aroma around the room and an instant sense of relaxation. The second way to use essential oil is topical application. So you can immediately, what you can do is you take the essential oil, it could be applied on your wrist. So 1 drop on the wrist and just spread it like this. So this is one option. Oh, I love this. I love Ylang essential oil, by the way. And you can also apply it on your temples. So take a drop and just apply it on your temples. If there is any sort of sensitivity, because we need to be careful when we use essential oils, if you find any sort of sensitivity when you're using essential oils, all you need to do is mix it with equal amounts of any carrier oil like coconut oil or almond oil. Okay, so for example, you take the essential oil in a spoon, take about 2 drops and 2 drops of almond oil and just apply it. Apply it on your temples, behind your neck, and that aroma remains around your face and your body, and it sort of gives you an amazing instant sense of relaxation. I love using essential oils like this, topical application. Another easy way to use essential oil is direct inhalation. So I always carry around one of my favorite essential oils. So if there is a stressful situation or if there's overwhelmment, if ever, all you need to do is, and that's it. Sit back, relax, allow the magic of this aroma oil do its work on you. There are many other ways you can work with essential oils. Some simple ways are you can put a couple of drops on your pillow and leave it for 5 minutes before you sleep. It ensures that you have a very peaceful, deep, restful sleep. Another way is to add it in your bathtub or the bucket. Just a couple of drops is enough. You can also blend essential oils into a jar and use that in your diffuser as well. It works like magic. I hope you really liked this information that I gave you. If you have any doubts regarding aromatherapy or how to use essential oils, you can either contact me directly. All the details are in the description box, or you can even comment and I will definitely reply to it. I will be back with you with another amazing video that is going to add value to your life. Namaste.